What's up, guys? So we are doing our first unboxing in our coffee shop. She's not done yet, but I figured why not introduce and unbox one of the coolest things that we have found at Coffee Fest, and can't wait to bring it back to the shop in the shop. So I'm gonna tell you how we first met Frozenta. Eric and I travel a lot and we go to every single coffee shop. Usually that's in that town if we're staying there or if it's on vacation. And we had a coffee. Eric had a blended coffee that consisted of honey, white mocha, and this caramel. So I was like, babe, we got this. He loved it so much that we decided to come home and try and dupe it. So we got home, had the same exact syrups, caramel. I'm like, every caramel's created equally. You're fine. Every caramel, I'm here to tell you, is not created equally. So we duped it. He said, something's just missing. And so we researched a bit and we found that the caramel that this coffee shop was using was Frozenta. It was hard to get to. You can buy it on Amazon. I think a lot of food distributors don't sell it. And we didn't know if this brand did direct to shop or not. Needless to say, we kind of forgot about it. We've had a lot of things going on between the shop and the trailer, but our paths crossed again at Coffee Fest a few weeks ago. And so Eric and I were going down the aisles at Coffee Fest, all the vendors, and I said, Eric, that's the caramel. He's like, what caramel? I was like, the caramel. And he said, no way. So we walk up, super cool, super chill people, him and his wife, and they killed it. They sold us. The product already sold us, but the people behind the brand, we love. And so we were super excited to place our first order. They went ahead and sent us a little sample pack. And first, here we respect the branding from one brand to another. I respect it. Let's dive in. Let's see. So they gave us a little card that told us what's all included. Also, always free shipping. What? Yes, thank you. A letter of encouragement and just a little backstory. Love it. Okay, and now, so at Coffee Fest on the floor, they were giving out little samples of their frozen mocha. And so they were using their signature chocolate sauce along with their polar powder. So their polar powder is a blank, simple base of a frappe base, and then you infuse it with whatever sauce that you'd like. So they have caramel, they have chocolate, they have white mocha, and so it's very versatile. You don't have to carry multiple powders or go back and forth. You have one powder and you infuse it with whatever flavor that you want. So that's super, super cool. A scoop, and then super cool, a recipe card. Heck yeah. So it's kind of foolproof. Can't really screw it up too much. So they break it down, how much polar powder, how much cold brew, how much milk, how much chocolate sauce, ice, and so topped with whipped cream and chocolate swirls equals a Frozenta, a frozen mocha freeze. Super, super cool. We cannot wait to try this. We'll do another video, of trying it and let you know what we think, but you already know. So this, we're super stoked. This is the caramel. So the case comes with 464 ounces, and it also comes with a metal pump with some cleaning solution and a cleaner and all that cool stuff that it requires. Super cool. It does not require refrigeration after you open, which is a plus. This, I'm telling you, it makes or breaks the drinks. If you think our caramel is amazing already, you just wait. We are about to knock your socks off. And our caramel is our #1 flavor across the board. Whether it's a caramel macchiato, a caramel cold brew, frappe, we sell caramel the most out of every flavor. And so we're super excited to bring you even a better, quality product. So that's it for now. And we are definitely going to do a taste test with all of them and let you know what we think. But you already know what we think. So thank you for coming to my unboxing, my first unboxing in our coffee shop. So many more to come, and thank you for your support.